Are you building your dream PC or upgrading your system for peak performance? Don't let bottlenecks hold you back. Introducing the Bottleneck Calculator, your ultimate tool to optimize hardware compatibility. Whether you're a gamer, video editor, or tech enthusiast, bottlenecks can ruin your experience. A mismatched CPU and GPU could mean low frame rates, stuttering, or wasted potential. The Bottleneck Calculator makes it easy. Just enter your CPU and GPU models, and within seconds, get a detailed analysis of how well they work together. With the Bottleneck Calculator, you'll ensure hardware compatibility, avoid wasted money on mismatched components, maximize performance for your favorite tasks. Trust